In this video, I will show you how to deposit any fiat currency to Bybit. So here's the problem we have. All these crypto trading exchanges are not meant to deposit and withdraw fiat on there. They are meant to be used as a trading platform, so you only deposit and withdraw with crypto on here. Sometimes they offer some third-party services that take your fiat and exchange it to crypto for you, but oftentimes they don't work. And even if they do, they have pretty low volume limits and extremely high fees. So it is best practice to use a specialized exchange for that, which we call a fiat on and off ramp. Here we can instantly deposit any amount we want completely for free directly from our bank account. We can use a bank transfer, use our credit or debit card, or even Apple Pay or PayPal. Then we exchange the money for crypto and then send that crypto right here over to the crypto trading exchange. In our case, we are going to use Bitpanda, which is my recommendation. As an alternative, you can also use Coinbase in case Bitpanda is not available in your country. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus for any of these three exchanges right here, make sure to check out the video description. You can sign up within a few seconds and are always guaranteed to get the best bonus available. First, we will create an account on Bitpanda. Simply click on the link down in the video description below and you will be taken directly to this page right here. Create your account right here within a few seconds and you will automatically get the best sign-up bonus available. Depending on how much you invest, you can get up to 100 euro in bonuses. Once we have created an account, we first need to verify ourselves, so you'll need to do this on every platform, as you cannot deposit any euros otherwise. So you should automatically see right here a button to verify. You need to click on that and then upload a picture of your ID card, your driver's license, or your passport. The verification only takes a few minutes and then we can fully use the platform. Next, we can now deposit money. For this, you need to go to deposit up here at the top, then choose fiat currencies and then your fiat currency. In my case, I'm going to choose euro. Then we can see all these different payment methods. As you can see, all of them are instant and also completely for free, all of them. So you can decide which one you prefer. I will quickly show you, for example, the bank transfer. Let's say we want to deposit 1,000 euro. Then just click on confirm right here. And then you will get the banking details that you need for the bank transfer, such as the recipient name, the IBAN, and the reference number, which you need to include in your bank transfer. If your bank supports SEPA Instant, the transfer should also arrive within a few minutes. Otherwise, it can take 1 to 3 days. But of course, we also have other options. If you have a credit or debit card, you can also use Visa and MasterCard. You just enter your card details there and you will instantly have the money right here, also without any fees. Or you can also use Apple Pay if you download the app to your iPhone and log in with your existing account. Of course, register beforehand through the link in the description to get the bonus. This also works, and then the money is instantly available here too. Lastly, I also want to show you how it works with PayPal, because that's also a very nice option. You just click on here. Let's say we want to deposit 1,000 euro. Agree right here and click on confirm. And then we just need to log into our PayPal account and confirm the payment. And then we have the money deposited to our account. Once we have completed the deposit, we can now go to our portfolio up here in the top. And then if we scroll down, we can see our fiat, in my case, euro balance right here. Now we need to buy a cryptocurrency with that fiat. You can use any crypto you want, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of that is possible. I like to use a stable coin. In this case, I'm going to show you how it works with US dollar Tether. So we're just going to go up here to trade, then click on buy, and then just type in here USDT, select it right here. Type in the amount you want to convert. I'm just going to go for 115 euro in this case, for example. Click on next, and then just click on buy now right here. As you can see, that's already it. Let's click on go to portfolio and let's go in here to crypto. And as you can see right here, once we have it in USDT, we can now send it to the exchange. First, we need to copy our deposit address from Bybit. So we're going to go up here to deposit. Up here, make sure to choose USDT. For the chain, we are going to use the Binance network, so BSC or BEP20. And then down here, we will get our personal deposit address, which we can now copy to our clipboard right here and then send USDT to this address. Then on Bitpanda, we are going to go up here to send, then choose US dollar Tether. In this case, I'm going to use the Binance network, so I'm just going to click on BSC network right here, then click on I understand. Then I will paste in the address we just copied and click on next. Now I need to type in how much I want to send. In this case, I'm going to send all of it. Then click down here on next. And then all I need to do is just confirm it right here and click on transfer. And that's pretty much already it. Always make sure that you're using the same network right here as from the exchange where you copy the address. The money should only take a few minutes to arrive. If you're sending larger amounts, I would recommend you to first send a small test transaction. And then once everything worked fine, just send the remaining amount. Once we have the money on Bybit, we can now use it to leverage trade on here. If you need more tutorials on that, I have many more videos on how to leverage trade on Bybit on my channel. To get your best sign up bonus on Bybit, make sure to check out the link down in the video description. And also don't forget to pick up your sign up bonus with up to 100 euro in bonuses by simply clicking on the first link down in the video description. Create your account right here within a few seconds. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.